nakaupo o sit in the ministry of E.M. Branham during late mga 50s hanggang lumatay si Brother Branham. Si Brother Jackson ay patay na rin po year 2005. Lumatay po siya. Pero yung kanyang message at saka written na parang literature ay nag-exist pa po. So dito ko kukunin ang isi-share ko po sa inyo sa basic. Yung kanyang chart ay about mentioned in the book of Matthew. Kung meron kayong Bible, let's open in the book of Matthew. This generation.
Pag nagsulat siya, magalaw kasi tama sa YouTube. Balik ka sa
ang sabi rito, verily I say unto you, this generation shall not pass till all these things be fulfilled. Ito po yung kanyang inelaborate, mga kapatid, na pinagkunan ni Brother Jackson sa nakasulat po diyan na this generation. Sabi diyan, hindi raw lilipas ang lahing ito na matupad muna ang lahat ng bagay. Pwede nyo bang pakibasa sa Tagalog? 34 Tagalog.
Okay. Ano po, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi lilipas ang lahing ito. Hanggang sa magaganap ang lahat ng mga bagay.
Okay, that is prophecy. So yung prophecy na yan may kinalaman po sa prophetic time scale, prophetic time. So, first application po ng this generation. Sa turo po ni Brother Jackson, dahil contender magazine po ang aking report sa inyo, si Brother Jackson ay tumatalakay about concerning the people of Israel. Yan po yun. So, itong Matthew chapter 24, nang sinabi ito ni Jesus Christ, hindi niya ito ina-address sa Gentiles. So, say ang buong Bible, the book of Old Testament and the New Testament, hindi ito pagmamayari po ng Gentiles. Pero, nanghihiram tayo sa prophecy. Ibig sabihin, kahit sa ating mga hintil na pumasok sa biyaya ng Panginoon, because of grace of God, yung scriptures na-apply din sa atin pero nilang lang. Hindi talaga tayo ang may nagmamayari sa Bible. Kaya sabi nga mga kapatid sa aklat po ng John, chapter 4 and verse 22, ang sabi po ron, salvation is come from the Jew. May kinalaman po ang kaligtasan dahil originally ibinigay ang Word of God sa Jew. Kaya sabi, salvation is come from the Jew. Pero Jew lang ba talaga ang niligtas? Hindi naman, di ba? Pero ibig sabihin, paunahin na ang Biblia ay ipinagkaloob sa Jew. Meron tayong another scriptural reference. Let's go to the book of Romans, chapter 3. And let's read verse
Tama lang.
2. Anong sabi diyan? The oracles of God. Tama ba? Baka mali yung verse ko. Sana, mabilis lang po kasi itado lang ang oras natin eh. Romans chapter 3 verse 2. Ang sabi nito, mock every way cheaply because that unto them. Sino yan them? Yan po ang mga Jew. Were committed the oracles of God. Hindi sinabi, yung them ay Gentiles. Udyo yan, mga kapatid. So, back to prophecy in Matthew chapter 24, verse 34, this generation shall not pass. Sabi gano'n sa 34. And all these things be fulfilled. So, tatakbo tayo sa prophecy concerning Israel. Ang chart po na ito na isusulat ko, i-divide ko mga kapatid sa dalawang division o tatlong division. The first division is the weeks of the first division of this chart is the weeks of Daniel. Ang weeks of Daniel, ilan po yung linggo ni Daniel na prophecy? 17 weeks. 17 weeks. Prophecy. 7 plus 62. And then, the death of the Messiah. And then 2,000 years, prophetic. And this is the tribulation period. 7 plus 62 equals 69. And then kasi pumasok ang Gentile dispensation. Yung Gentile dispensation may 7 stars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So, 70 weeks. 7 church ages. 7 church ages. 2,000 calendar years. 2,000 calendar year. Ito po ang tinatawag na Great Age. 2,000 po yan. So 7 plus 62 is equal 69 weeks. So pumasok ang Gentile. Ibig sabihin, naputol ang 70 weeks of Daniel. So, di ba pwede makita ang 70 weeks of Daniel para ma-establish natin? Let's go to Daniel chapter 9. So, Daniel chapter 9. Can you read, Brother Al?
Walang
Nine 24.
Ako muna.
Okay.
Alodan mo muna.
Kami nga discuss with the brother Daniel Daniel 9 verse 24. Ganito sabi, the 70 weeks are decree about your people and your holy city in Jerusalem, to bring their rebellion to an end, to put a stop to the sin, to wipe away justice, to bring in everlasting righteousness, to seal up vision and prophecy. Sabi tapos na.
Okay.
And to anoint them most holy place. Tuloy pa?
NIV lang. NIV po yan? NIV?
Yeah, that's different Bible too.
Okay, I will read in King James Version,
Tawag ka ni
1611.
ma'am.
70 weeks are determined upon thy people. Thy people is none other than Israel. The Israelites. Sabi ganon. And upon the holy city, that's Jerusalem, to finish the transgression, to make an end of sins, to make a reconciliation for iniquity, and to bring everlasting righteousness, and to seal up the vision and prophecy, and to anoint the most holy. That's the sixfold purpose. Kaya binigay ang 70 weeks for the sixfold purpose. Okay, pero hindi ko lang pinakain yan, kasi limitado ang oras natin. Binanggit ko lang po na yung prophecy po, mga kapatid, sa Bible, related to connect, doon sinabi ni Jesus, guys, this generation is not a Gentile. It is a Jew, people of God. It is a Jewish heritage from Abraham. Okay? So, 70 weeks are determined upon thy people in Israel. 70 weeks. Pero, nangyari na yung 7 plus 62, kailan mag-start ang 70 weeks? According to the history, it will start 445 BC. by the time of Nehemiah, andun po yung account niya. So, 7 plus 62, kailan cut off ng 70 weeks. Na-cut ng 69 weeks, kasi sabi sa verse 25, "Know therefore in going forth the commandment to restore it, to build Jerusalem unto the Messiah, the Prince, shall be 7 weeks. 7 weeks. 3 score. 1 score is 20, so 3 is 16. 25, 3 score, and 2 weeks. So that is 62 weeks. The street shall be built again, and the wall even in troublous times. Okay? Sabi? So verse 26, "And after 3 square 2 weeks, shall Messiah be cut off, but not of himself. After 7 and 62 weeks, the Messiah will be cut off." So nung the Messiah will be cut off, naputol po ang time clock ng 70 weeks ng ang Messiah, si Jesus Christ, will be put on the cross to sentence for death. Yan po ang prophecy. So, ano nangyari? Nung time na sinabi ni Jesus Christ, yan, siyempre, bago siya nagpako, sinabi niya yan before he was crucified. This generation, yung tinutukoy ng generation, ay Hudyo, shall fulfill all these things. Yung word, all things, ay mga great events. So, yan. It was not hidden. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang taran sa Bible. It's not explicit. Yung sinabi ni Jesus Christ, walang paliwanag, na mga all things. But we know, in the Gentiles, these all things, it pertains to the time of the Great Age period. Para sa dealing ng Diyos to the Gentiles. Ibig sabihin, ito pong panahon ng 2,000 calendar, 2,000 years. Beginning sa time ng Messiah, hanggang sa before the rapture, ngayon, year 2010, it's 2,000 years ago. Okay. So, kaunawa ni Brother Jackson, sinasabi niya, kailan na-start yung generation? Kung yan ay Israel, when they did start the prophecy. Nung sinabi ni Christ yun, nung time na bago sa ipako, 2,000 years na nakalipas. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nangyari yun sa time nila. Eh, 2,000 years na. So, kailan ang fulfillment? According to Brother Jackson, sa kanyang prophetic eye, it will start in dito po sa time ito,